I'm Jennifer Van Berklio, online editor for Power Engineering. The EPA approved a revised state plan from P&M calling for the closing of 2 out of the 4 units at the San Juan Generating Station, a coal-fired power plant located in New Mexico. P&M, the New Mexico Environment Department, and EPA representatives submitted the revised plan 18 months ago, drawing in support from the state's governor and the Navajo Nation president. In 2013, the plan received approval from the New Mexico Environmental Improvement Board and is still waiting for the go-ahead from the state's Public Regulation Commission. Exelon Generation is planning to build 2 combined cycle gas turbine units in Texas utilizing a new GE technology, the 7HA.02 gas turbines. The new units, which will be cooled with air instead of water, are being built at the 498 megawatt Colorado Bend Generating Station, a natural gas plant in Wharton County, and a 704 megawatt Wolf Hollow natural gas plant in Granbury. Each new unit will add nearly 1,000 megawatts of capacity and also is providing the heat recovery steam generators. The turbines can withstand high temperatures more than 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit, increasing efficiency and reducing ongoing maintenance costs. Construction of the units is expected to begin in 2015, with commercial operation targeted for 2017. Now let's shoot over to Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine, for today's nuclear headline.
Thanks, Jennifer. The DOE issued a draft solicitation that would provide up to $12.6 billion in loan guarantees for advanced nuclear energy projects, including small modular reactors, advanced reactor technologies, and upgrades and uprates at nuclear power facilities. Peter Davidson, executive director of the DOE's Loan Programs Office, said the $12.6 billion is one of the largest recent offerings for loan guarantee programs and may be reflective of the president's all-of-the-above climate action plan. Davidson said the DOE wants to help drive down the cost to consumers by helping to deploy the latest and most efficient forms of technology. To read more about the draft solicitation and to leave a comment, check out the article on the Power Engineering website. That's your nuclear news for today. I'm Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine.
Thanks, Sharon. In other news, the Montana Public Service Commission approved an agreement for PPL Montana to sell its hydropower facilities to Northwestern Energy for $900 million. The commission issued a final order on September 26 to approve the deal that includes PPL Montana's 11 hydropower plants with a total generating capacity of more than 630 megawatts. FERC approved the transfer of the stations and its hydroelectric operating license upon the close of the transaction. We have some great news. Our sister publications have extended their award deadlines. If you haven't sent in your nominations for Power Grid International's Projects of the Year or Electric Light and Power CEOs of the Year, you now have until October 15th. Categories for Projects of the Year are Smart Grid, Customer Engagement, Renewable Grid Integration, and Demand Response and Energy Efficiency. There are 2 categories for CEOs of the Year: CEOs within a large utility that serves at least 400,000 customers, and CEOs within a smaller utility that serves fewer than 400,000 customers. Details are at elp.com. Just look for the banners near the top of the homepage and click Submit Your Entry. Winners will be recognized at the Distributech in February and will be featured in the magazines. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. And you can always connect with our editors and join in on the discussions on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For Power Engineering News, I'm Jennifer Van Berklio.